Hello gems and welcome back to the Sapphire Star. Today we are going to be reviewing a tablet I've been wanting to review for so long, the Huion Kamvas 16 2021. Here's our box. I'm going to pick it up. This is always my favorite part. I almost always get hurt during this part of the video, so I'm going to like try my best not to this time. All right, this is like, I'm gonna have to sit back. It's gonna like fly out. It's sliding. Ah! This is a big boy. This is a big boy. If you don't have this tool, you can't open the Huion tablet. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I'm just kidding. I have no idea where you can actually purchase this tool. Pumped. Oh my god, like the inside of the box has like a soft like padding right here. The moment we've all been waiting for. Ooh, there's like a squeaky noise. Sweet, and this has hotkeys on the side. It's pretty heavy though. It is very heavy for sure. This is a really unique looking pen holder. This is like, it's like a donut. Oh my god! And it has all the little pen nibs. That's amazing. And then you scroll back on, the texture of this is like really nice too. Okay, here's the pen. This pen looks like luxurious too. This looks nice. I'm gonna squeeze it out. Ooh, it has a nice grip. I love the grip. Okay, downside. Here's my downside. We don't have an eraser. 2 hotkeys right here on the pen, which is great. And the grip is super nice. This pen does look really nice. I like the design. I think this is very like, it's kind of like futuristic, but like modern at the same time. It's really pretty, very elegant. Well, we have this little white box in here. Power port, okay. Oh, sweet. It comes with a tablet stand. All right, so this is how it works. You pull out this little metal part, and then you can rest it on the nibs depending on how low or high you want the tablet. So we can put it behind, and then you rest the tablet, it looks like on here, which is like, there's 4 grips in the corner to kind of hold it. We have an art glove. Okay, dude, y'all know how I feel about tablets sending art gloves with their stuff. Thank you so much. That's amazing. There's a warranty card in here that you can fill out. We have our little manual, which is awesome too, and then it looks like a little cleaning pad, which also is branded. Dude, they give you the whole stack, the whole kit. Look at this little cleaner. We got one more piece here. This looks like to be all the cords. Okay, so we have display and we have power are the 2 cords we have. And it looks like, and then this is gonna go into your tablet, and then this is gonna be your power cord that powers the tablet. First Pokemon named in chat, I'll draw on the tablet. Shanks? Okay, we're gonna go with Shanks. So step 1 here is you plug in the USB into the power adapter, and then there's like this open slot. And then we have another one that we have to open and plug that in. This USB in here. Boop. I've seen this with some tablets before. It comes, like anytime you see a red USB, it probably means it should connect to the power. Like this one might need extra power. So we'd plug that into another thing into the wall, but I probably don't need it because my PC is good, so we'll just avoid that for now. All right, everything should be plugged in. We got power plugged in, and we got the HDMI plugged in and the USB plugged into the PC. Okay, so here's the test. We're gonna turn the power button on, is right here. Yep, oh, it's lighting up green. Yay! No signal. Ah, my favorite. All right, we'll download the drivers. 6, the newest version here. We'll open this guy. Okay, we're gonna install. Installation complete. So I downloaded the driver and check it. Loving this so far. Okay, let's try out our little stand here. So I already set it up. I'm gonna move it down. The desk is kind of a disaster right now, guys. We have it set up on its little stand right here. See? So there's the stand. It's smaller than the tablet. And then you put it there, you put it down. The only problem I keep running into is my cord keeps like going underneath. So far, we're gonna see how it draws, but so far this is a fantastic deal for $300. Like from all the tablet selections and like choices I've seen, yes. My pen is mapped to the wrong monitor, so we will have to fix that. So working area, we'll click on this, and there we go. This is where your monitor is mapped, so you wanna make sure it's mapped to your drawing tablet. This is my drawing tablet screen right now. I have OBS up on it, so make sure you select the screen that you're drawing on if you have multiple displays. That's very, very important. If you're left-handed, you can switch the monitor or your tablet rotation if you're left-handed drawer. So we're gonna monitor calibrate next. This is when you calibrate. My camera is going to be in one of the corners, but you take your pen and we click the middle red dot. Okay, the pen to the tablet feeling already feels amazing. Okay, there we go, and we're calibrated. Let's see what else. Digital pen, so if we want to customize our pen, we can here. I like how it actually shows you the image in their software about what the pen pressure sensitivity does, because I never really like fully understood this from like an average like consumer point of view. And this is actually hoggers, like it's showing us how the pressure sensitivity is going to be. So let's just try this. That's what we're going to start with. Now, the only other thing I'm looking for right now is our hotkeys on the left side. Press key, here we go. This is it right here. Okay, and then we should be set to go. So let's go ahead and launch. Photoshop. Overall, I really enjoyed the Kamvas 16. I think it's a fantastic tablet for how much it is. It's only $300, and legitimately the amount of things that it comes with is mind-blowing. The art glove, the tablet stand, like the fact that it comes with a full really nice tablet stand is amazing, and the screen, the 16 inches is a really nice workspace to be able to work on for a travelable drawing tablet, especially at the price of $300. So I think this is going to be my new go-to recommendation for anyone looking to start out with a pen display tablet that's not over $500 in budget. I really enjoyed it. It was a great tablet. The biggest downside that I saw, like I mentioned a few times, was the fact that it doesn't have an eraser. Now that's a personal preference. Some people don't mind this, but personally having an eraser on the back of my pen is really important for me. So that's the only reason why I would maybe look at other options. But other than that, it's a fantastic tablet and I really enjoyed this. Thank you so much, Huion, for the opportunity. I loved the Kamvas 16. I thought it was amazing. It feels good. If you want to check out some other tablets, you can check out this playlist. And I hope that you got a ton of value out of this video. Bye!